Hi, my name is Jeevan Adhikari and I represent Mid Valley International College. The reason for the collaboration with Skill Lab is to initiate a partnership that helps connect industry with academic institutions like ours and also to facilitate career pathways for our undergraduate students. Soft skills are critical in today's constantly changing job market. These skills are essential for any students to succeed in the job market. The key is in being the type of employee that companies want to hire, retain, and promote. To do this, graduates need to have a list of skills in order to stand out from the competition. Besides technical and hard skills, employers seek soft skills, which have now become essential traits to excel in. Thank you so much, Skill Lab, for your continuous support to help our students grow through acquiring different soft skills.